Hi friends, I'm Maya and this is Robo. Welcome back. Last time we learned that AI is built like a fake version of your brain. Millions of artificial neurons passing signals through layers until an answer pops out. Today, today we find out what AI is jaw-droppingly brilliant at and what makes it hilariously embarrassingly terrible. Robo, are you ready to be judged? Now imagine a student who can solve 1,000 maths problem in 1 second. Translate Shakespeare into Japanese before you finish your sentence. And beat every chess grandmaster who ever lived. But then looks at a photo of a penguin wearing a bow tie and says very confidently, "That is a smartly dressed dog." That student, that's AI, astonishing and absurd, often in the same breath. AI isn't good at everything equally. It has areas where it's so fast and so accurate it makes human experts look slow. And then it has areas where it fails so spectacularly that you can't help but laugh. Understanding both is the key to using AI wisely and to appreciating just how special your kind of intelligence really is. Let's start with the good stuff. AI is brilliant at spotting patterns in huge amounts of data in milliseconds, translating between almost any two languages instantly, recognizing faces, objects, and voices, playing games like chess and Go better than any human alive, writing, summarizing, and answering questions at lightning speed, never getting tired, distracted, or grumpy. Now, AI is hopeless at common sense, things any 5 year old just knows. Understanding feelings, moods, and what people actually mean. Knowing when it's wrong, it can be very confidently mistaken. Dealing with situations it's never seen before. Truly understanding a joke, it just mimics one. Being genuinely curious or caring about anything. Now, let's look at the scoreboard. Spotting patterns in data 97. Translating languages 94. Winning at chess 99. Writing quickly 91. Common sense 18. Understanding feelings 12. Actually getting a joke 20. Knowing when it's wrong 11. The best way to use any tool, a calculator, a map, a search engine, or AI, is to know exactly what it's great at and exactly where it falls apart. That way, you use it for the right things and you don't blindly trust it for the wrong ones. Knowing a tool's limits isn't a weakness, it's a wisdom. In the early days of image recognition AI, scientists showed the computer a photo of a penguin standing upright, wearing its natural black and white markings. The AI studied it carefully, ran it through all its layers of neurons, and delivered its verdict with total unshakable confidence. Now, this is a smartly dressed talk. AI confidence level very high, but completely wrong. Why? Because the AI had learned from patterns: dark tuxedo shape, upright posture, two arms by its side. In its training data, that combination mostly meant penguin? It had never heard of one. Formally dressed human? Getting warmer. Fancy dog at a wedding? Sure, why not? It had never understood what it was looking at. It had only ever matched patterns. And this time, the patterns lied. You would never mistake a penguin for a dog, not because you are better at spotting patterns, but because you understand the world. You know penguins live in cold places. You know dogs bark. You know animals are different from each other in ways that go beyond just how they look. That kind of understanding, built from real experience of being alive, is something AI simply doesn't have. Now, this brings us to one of AI's most famous and most important flaws. Scientists have a special word for it: hallucination. It doesn't mean AI sees ghosts. It means AI sometimes makes things up and presents them as fact with complete confidence and zero embarrassment. Ask AI about a made up historical event and it might write you 3 paragraphs about it. Dates, names, details, all completely invented. All delivered as if it's absolutely certain it's not lying. It doesn't know it's wrong, it's just doing what it was trained to do, produce the most convincing sounding answer. Sometimes that answer is brilliant, sometimes it's a smartly dressed talk. AI teaches us something important. Sounding sure of yourself isn't the same as being right. The bravest, smartest thing anyone can say, human or machine, is I'm not sure, let me check. Being confident is great, but being curious enough to double check, that's even better. So there you have it. AI is a tool of breathtaking power and bewildering blind spots. It can beat grandmasters, translate poetry, and process more information in a second than you could read in a lifetime. But it doesn't truly understand any of it. It has no curiosity, no gut feeling, no moment of suddenly just getting something. Those moments, those are yours. You already learn exactly like AI does through examples, practice, and picking yourself up after mistakes. The difference? AI needed millions of examples. You're so clever, you need far fewer. And on top of that, you have something AI will never have real understanding. You don't just match patterns, you get it. Never forget that. Now, superpower AI is astonishing at patterns, speed, language, and data. Blind spot, common sense, feelings, real understanding, still totally lost. Your job is to know what AI is good for and when to trust yourself instead. Now, AI is already everywhere around you, hiding inside your phone, your music app, your search bar, and even your video games. In part 5, we go on a scavenger hunt to find out all the places AI is secretly running your world. That's it for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.